bed, my comfy bed, Ohio State thingy, a picture, and some pictures of Dayton Flyers. So that's basically it, and a blanket right there. Oh yeah, and that, my clock, and some planets. And me and my brother used to sleep in the same room. See, that's my name. No, that's actually not really my name, the PL, but I'm not going to tell you my last name. And Seth. That's not our last name. We got that from Bethany Beach, if you guys can see. Bethany Beach. Mine also says Bethany Beach. And my favorite sticker on this is the basketball sticker right here. It's mine. My favorite trophy is this one, the big one. I'm gonna put my hat with my baseball hat away. And I also just got back from a baseball game. Literally, I just got back from a baseball game. And so that's my favorite sticker. If I didn't show you right there. So yeah. Oh, and I have a Dude Perfect poster in my laundry hamper. And oh yeah, I guys didn't show you this. It's like a thing. Which you guys, I'm gonna show you a little trick. I'm gonna show you a little trick, guys. It's gonna be a cool trick. So you can change this. Ready? So guys, all you gotta do, open up that, like that. Take that out of the thing. And you can do this. You can put it around like this. And you can change the magnets. Oh yeah, there is a magnet in it. It's right here. This is the magnet. But I will show you what it actually looks like. That's what it looks like, and this is the other side. That's the other side. If you guys want to see the other side. There. So guys, look at that. So I'm going to put it on this. I'm going to change it like this to this. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. Put it back in the case. Put it back in the case. Oh yeah, you want to put this on the thing. And then you want to put it back in the case. There. And you can just close that up, and it comes with a stand. Guys, and I'm going to go show you the stand. It's a little stand. Right here. This little thing, and watch. It will stand this up. Ready? So you guys see that? And look at this. Look at this. Ready, guys? It holds it up. Oh, isn't that cool? So I really like this. So I'm gonna put it back. And guys, my favorite bobblehead that I have. Bobblehead. Oh, is this one? It's not over here. I'm just putting this book away. Yeah, I also have some books right there. My favorite bobblehead right now is actually this one right there. His name it's from the Dragons. Jose Siri. Number 12. I also have Adam Duvall, Heater from the Dragons, and Gem. So, guys, bye. Hope you guys liked it. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bar. comment down below if you have questions for me. So, bye.